Hi, I'm Jill Shawfeather and I'd like to share with you a breath work called belly breathing. It's also called diaphragmatic breathing and can be done anywhere really, but I'd like to show you this beginning in a seated position. So the benefits, there's a long list of benefits for this particular breath work. Mainly it's very calming for the mind, nourishing for the nervous system. So if you struggle with anxiety or just even a little bit of worry or a busy head, then practicing this breath to provide clarity, also releasing fluctuations of the mind, so calming and quietening the mind. Let's begin. Bringing the palms to the belly. So you can do this without the palms on the belly, but it's just a nice reference point, especially if you're a beginner at this particular breath. So bringing the palms to the belly, relaxing the shoulders and just finding a comfortable position. The inhale, we're expanding the belly, just gently at first, and then the exhale, we're deflating the belly. So with an inhale, soften the belly and allow it to expand. The exhale, belly draws back. So find that slow, deep breath. So the inhale, the navel draws away from the body. The exhale, the navel draws towards the spine. And another few breaths like this. And continue with this slow, deep breathing. The belly expands on the inhale, the belly gently deflates on the exhale. Not worrying too much if you can't quite get the hang of it first time. Just really practicing this daily is really helpful. And even people who do advanced pranayama practice this particular belly breathing. It's good for beginners through to advanced. It's a great one to do in your daily practice. I'll show you how you can do this laying down as well. So it's quite nice if you are a beginner to practice this lying down initially to really sort of get the hang of it. So you can rest the whole of the back body on the mat. Maybe the feet go a little wider than hip width, knees rest together. Finding a comfortable long spine, relaxed shoulders, palms rest gently on the belly. Soften through the hips and just stay here for a little bit, connecting to the breath. And then with your next exhale, draw the navel towards the spine. Inhale, draw the navel towards the sky. Exhale, belly softens back. Exhale everything. Conscious breathing. Slow, deep inhale expands the belly. So continue for another few moments. And if you are quite well practiced at this belly breathing, then begin to breathe into the lower belly first. So as we inhale, lower belly expands, whole belly expands. As we exhale, the whole of the belly draws back towards the spine. Another few breaths here. And it's sometimes called diaphragmatic breathing, because as we inhale and the belly expands, the diaphragm moves down, creating more spaciousness for the lungs, increasing the lung capacity. And as we exhale, the belly draws back, the diaphragm rises, helping the lungs push out all the stale air. So let's just take another few breaths together. So the belly breath, the diaphragmatic breathing, is great to practice of an evening before you go to sleep. nourishing the nervous system, but also quietening the mind so you have a more conscious sleep, deeper sense of relaxation. So I hope this breath really works well for you, and not concerning yourself if you don't quite get the hang of it the first go, and stay with it. It will benefit, and it's a beautiful breath work to have with your pranayama tools, just for that benefit of it relaxing the mind and calming the mind, nourishing the nervous system. Go well. Namaste.